Before we start, hit subscribe so you never miss quick Google Sheets tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to open a Google Sheet as an Excel file. Perfect if you're sharing with someone who only uses Excel or if you're switching between platforms. First, go to Google Sheets in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, open the spreadsheet you want to convert. At the top left, click File, then choose Download. From the list of formats, select Microsoft Excel. Your browser will now download the file. Depending on your settings, it'll either save to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose where to save it. Once downloaded, find the file on your computer and double check it. It will open in Microsoft Excel with your formatting and data intact. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Google Sheet into an Excel file in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.